you're going on nonetheless, and there's nothing to cushion your heart. Let it fall. Let us fall further away. Keep pulling me close to home, and there's nothing to cushion my callous eyes. And I know that you hope for longer goodbyes, embracing for forever and falling in your eyes, in your eyes, your eyes. Poring over photographs, I'm living in your letters. Breathe deeply from this envelope. It smells like you and I can't be without that scent. It's filling me with all you mean to me, to me. Continually failing these trials, but you stand by me nonetheless. And you won't let me sink, though I'm begging you, I'm begging you. Phone calls from further away and messages on my machine, but I don't ever tell you this distance seems terrible. There's no need to test my heart with useless space. These roads go on forever. There'll always be a place for you in my heart. So out hit the pavement, it's gone.